Hi guys! Welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me for a spring haul from Target Dollar Spot. Starting off with this cute little spiral Easter notebook. It says strawberry scented cover. They had a few more, one with chocolate and I forget what the other one was. But this had the cutest bunny image. Look at that cute bunny holding the strawberry. So I got one for my daughter Emmy, and look at these wonderful images and activity sheets that she can use. Also got her this Nature's Day because we love doing our nature's walk, and I thought this would be a great little booklet and journal for her as well. This was $5, and I'll just give you a quick little preview of what's in here. There are a lot of, there's 54 pages. So you have a coloring page here. And I love this because when we go on our walk, we look at flowers, and it's nice to recognize them and name them. And she can draw them in here. So here are different activities. How to plant a flower, and I love this, collect blossoms, and then you can mark them and make a picture here. So such a beautiful nature book. Then it is showing the summer activities as well. And then you have fall, and my daughter has a good collection of feathers and rocks, and now we can mark them, and she has it in a special box. I'm gonna have to work with her with that. And I love this. You have activities on how to do a daisy chain. So I thought this was a super fun buy, and I have a winter page as well. Another item that I thought was super cute was this cute little Snail Caddy. It's a wood caddy. I can definitely, I'll probably decoupage some napkin here or some scrapbook paper to give it a little bit of a design. But I really like this one. This one was $3 for this cute little Snail Caddy. So I'm gonna put it there on the side. And then I found some, still found some Valentine stuff, and this was 25 cents. It was on, that was the clearance price that they had given it. So 30 count, things I love. And this is again perfect to include in a journal. You can definitely have a list of things that you can add. Also love this one. There are 30 kids in my daughter's class, and I thought they love these type of Mad Libs activities where you fill in the blanks and it has a funny story. So we're planning to give this in their little goodie bag for before the summer. So it's a summer fun packet. And then I found this adorable, really nice pen holder and notepad. I love it. It has this wood little holder here with a well for your pen, $3. And it has this honeycomb look to the notepad. Really like this one as well. And then I also spotted this cute little gift bag set, and it says 4 count. The lady gave it to me for 25 cents because it is a Valentine's item. The next one I got was 18 count cards, note cards with envelopes. I just love the dandelion look here, and it says, hey, good looking, and just because. It's just a blue envelope. So love this, and I like that it comes with a holder. So I usually take this plastic out and just put it on the desk, and you can use it. It's very accessible. So let me just grab the other piece that matches this print that I want to show you. One sec. So the other piece is this framed art. I love the simplicity of this, and it has a holder. It's really beautiful. I love this. This was $5, so I took it out of the case so I could show you. The next item is a year-end yearbook sticker set that you can definitely use for card making or for your yearbook. So I got this one as well for my daughter Emmy. And then we have more spring themed stuff. Got this butterfly flying thing, and I remember playing with this when I was a kid. So you twist it, there's a rubber band right here, twist it a number of times, and you release it and you see this toy fly So another one for my older ones so they can play together if they'd like. So here's one in orange and yellow. And then I found these really beautiful signs, and I want to put them in our garden or next to a planter even. So one says, "Love grows here." This one's metal, and it's $1. And then here's one that I really like, and it's a little stake that you can use, and it says, "Home is where my garden is." And I just love, again, the simplicity and the print. You have that typewriter look there and the script there, so pretty. So this one was $1 as well. So I like that one. Another one that I thought would be great too if you were giving a little gift or plant for the springtime, Plant Dreams. How pretty. And $1 for that. So this one we really need. Occasionally we'll have people, for example, fixing the backyard for us, or we have pest control coming by and they always forget to close the gate. So I'm going to put this as a sign and hope that helps. And then another sign I thought was really pretty was this one. Really great sentiment again. And then I'm going to alter this. It looks a little too plain, so we'll add a few things here and I'll show you how to do that. This is wood. And then we have a few more, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to add some embellishments and just kind of spruce it up and make it a little bit more lively. We have a Hello Spring, and this one I really like. I like the leaf print here on the frame. It says "No rain, no flowers." Really pretty. And then I got a power pack. This is too cute. You have little hook here, and it comes with, it's compatible with your iPhone. It's pre-charged, and then it tells you how much, and also Android compatible. So $5 for this power pack. I also found this cute classroom snail, but I'm using it for Happy Mail when I'm sending out snail mail. I thought that would make a great addition to that. I also got a couple of these sunglass holders. One's for my mom. I'm going to mail it off to her, and I think this is so pretty for her glasses. And here's the second one. Really nice as well. So perfect for snail mail. Going to include that. And then we have a passport holder, and I'm going to use it for something else, but I really like it. $3. Wanted to show you what the inside looks like. Look at that nice pocket. So I could put a passport size little notebook and then put some stuff that like flat washi strips in here and whatnot. So that's what I'm going to be using it for, not really for my passport, but I just love that it's small. Again, I like carrying stuff that are compact. So also got a pair of these very springy theme socks. They were $1. And then we have this card set. I was going to reuse the packaging for snail mail. It says, "When life gives you lemons." And inside you have this wonderful card set. This one has like that die cut of a lemon with white envelope, and then you have the lemons here as well. So this is the back side. This was $3, and you get a good number of cards here. I think you have 20. So really nice. I like that one. And if you've seen my Daiso planning on a budget video, I showed some ideas on how to do bullet journaling and showed you some items from Daiso that you could buy for your planner kit for under $20. I found this and I thought you could add that to the list. They have a number of notebooks that are definitely, and Target's carried planning kits and sticker kits for a while. I haven't seen many in the recent months, and I'm hoping they come back with that. But if you're just starting out in planning, I think this would be a great option. So this is a set of 3 notebooks for $3, so $1 each. And we'll have a look and see if they're lined or blank pages or a variety. So I love, again, the colors, pretty thick. So these are lined, and I like that the actual lines are not so dark. It's almost like dotted. So that's a good one. And I love this. Look at this for your dailies. I love that blink. And then it's Monday. They forgot the weekend. Okay. So, oh, how nice. So these are dotted pages. That's super cool. And then we have one. Again, perfect for bullet journaling or just for doodling, and you can assign it for whatever you want. So really beautiful. I love these notebooks for $3. And finally got this adorable stationery set. How cute is this? This is $5. Let's have a look and see. I love that it has a carrying case because now my daughters occasionally will write a letter to their grandma and grandparents, and I thought this would be a perfect kit to use. Look at that Easter themed little book, sketchbook. They can use that. We have our stickers that you can use for seals. How adorable are these cute little animals? And then, oh wow, so it also has, and this is a fun tool to use when you make cards, and I think the kids will love this. They have a stencil, and it has a number of the images here from the sticker. I love this. I'm sure the girls will love this as well. And then we have, oh, how cute. It's like a postcard. It's really smooth in the back. It's really solid. So we're definitely going to mail this off for Easter. And you have polka dot yellow envelopes here. You can put the address there. Definitely have to prepare this soon. And then we have a pencil. We also have some washi tape. I like that checkered print. We have this adorable little eraser here with the snail. And we also have a cute sticky note pad with this adorable hedgehog. The last item I got was this area rug that was perfect for our entryway, and this little mat for your shoes for guests that they can put on. And I love the fact that it had a sign that said, please take your shoes off. So I've seen similar mats at Home Depot and Lowe's, and they're plain, and they cost, I think, about $15 to $20. And this one was $7, so a super deal. So there you have it, guys. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. I hope you guys enjoyed this spring haul. Take good care, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!